Alright, good. Made a wise move. Took about, I don't know, 5 minutes or something like that, but it's okay. I hate watching output, especially if it's not mine. So, sorry, I don't, uh, I don't have any crazy recording software yet. I don't plan on either. I'm an AV guy. So we should be left with something like this and some good words from our compiler or computer to tell us your new glibc installation seems to be okay. It's very assuring. So we'll say clear, and we have to copy over a few things. Okay, after we did make install, it says install NIS and RPC related headers that are not installed by default. These are required to rebuild glibc and by several BLFS packages. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to say copy verbose glibc 217 sun rpc rpc forward slash all dot h files to user include rpc. Okay, let's check it. Say copy verbose glibc 217 rpc. Okay, all.h files, user rpc. Good. And let's say something like copy glibc sun rpc rp tab s tab. Okay, all.h files to user include rpc svc. I think it's an rpc svc. Okay, all to there. Okay, good. And let's continue to say copy glibc 217 ni tab rpc svc all dot h files to user include rpc svc. Okay, so NIS rpc. Good. Okay, good deal. You can read more about that, and it's on to make locales. Okay, this takes a second, but it's mostly typing. So first, let's say make directory parent verbose user lib locale. Okay, and let's say locale def I cs underscore cz dash f. We'll say tf8 cs underscore cz dot utf dash 8. Check that. Okay, good. And we also want to say locale def dash I. Let's say de underscore de dash f ISO dash 8859 dash 1 de underscore de. Okay, good. And we'll type out locale def dash I would be de underscore de at euro dash f ISO dash 8859 dash 15. Okay, de underscore de at euro. Okay, good. now we can go ahead and we can start pulling up with our up key and just editing a few ones here. So it's at UTF-8. Let's make this DE underscore DE. I think that's Deutschland. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. These are your locales. So DE DE. Good. This is one of the few programs, or when you're entering this stuff, if you get it wrong, it'll tell you not found. That's kind of okay. We'll say English Great Britain. We'll do the same over here. English underscore Great Britain. Okay. And that's that. And let's say ISO 88591. We can use that. We've got English underscore HK. Okay. English underscore HK. We got English underscore PH. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's, I don't know. Okay. English US. Okay. We grab a UTF-8 out of here. And English US, let's call this English US. Okay. And grab 88951, we'll call it Espanol, Mexico, underscore MX. And we have a UTF-8, we're going to cut apart, and we're going to say FAIR, FAIR, I think that's right, okay, and got one here, we'll cut apart with FR, French, parlez-vous français, and let's say, scroll down, we got a few more, so 8895, or 8859, we can add a 1 to that one, and say at Euro, say at Euro, okay, got a UTF-8 we use for French, so we'll say at Euro, French, say French, I don't know if it's mandatory to load all these, but I don't want to, 8895. I don't want to, skip anything that the book doesn't tell me to. You know, it's okay for customization and everything else like that, but, it's a good idea too, just to so you get this thing up and running, and you can, if you have to remove all these or don't want these here and you want to make it, you know, something else, then you can do that. But I have learned to trust the book, because it's a scary, scary world when you really don't know what's going on back here. JA, Japanese, I'm going to say EUC-JP, okay, JA underscore JP, and that's wrong. Why? Because 88951, no, that's kind of wrong but kind of right, right? Can we pull up something else? I think we can pull it up and save it. We got an IT 8591 IT, and we need an 88591, or we need a UTF one, or UTF I need to say, IT, Italian, IT, Russian. I think this is Russian. So ru dash ru or underscore ru dash f k o k o I 8 dash r ru underscore ru dot KY 8 dash R. See if that's right. I think so. Good. Okay. And we got UTF-8 here we can modify. So we'll say RU underscore RU. RU underscore RU. Okay. And got TR we can modify. Just modify that last one. TR underscore TR. TR underscore TR. Okay. And last one is CH underscore CN, Chinese I think. And we'll say GB 18030. Okay. ZH underscore CN dot GB 18030. That's right. Okay. Good deal. And this one usually hangs up, takes a little bit. Okay, but it goes through, and that is okay. It says, in addition, install the locale of your country language and character set. Okay, so if your locales aren't on here, or if I didn't cover any of those, read the book and figure out which ones you need to install for that. Okay, so good deal. Install locales listed. Blah blah. File. Okay. So now what we can do is we can say make locale data install dash locales. Okay. Okay. I think. Okay. Good deal. This is going to take another couple minutes, so grab yourself some coffee, do something, and I'll be back. Peace out.